All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Discord tutorial. I'm your pal Larry, and today we're talking about how to mute different servers that you're a part of because you like to pop in once in a while, but you're tired of getting, like, at everyone notifications or spammed every time somebody decides to have a light conversation, and you just want to visit the server, have the server there, but you don't want it to constantly poke you on the shoulder and pester the pants off of you. And it's relatively easy to do this. Like, let's say I want to mute my friend's server, literally anything. All you have to do to block notifications from a server is right-click them in your little sidebar and go down to notification settings, and this will pop up a separate window for what people can notify you for. So you can mute literally everything except for at everyone and at here notifications. This also overrides the server's ability to send you notifications to your phone, which can be really annoying because my friends tend to blow up mine at 2 in the morning. Or you can just set it up so that the only way that the server notifies you is for at mentions, for like at you or at everyone or at here. It can notify you never. Then you can suppress the at everyone and at here and leave on mobile notifications because maybe you only want to really have it notify you when you're out and about in case you need to ban somebody because you're an admin. But I find that most people probably want to just mute the whole thing and then suppress at everyone and at here. And that's really all you gotta do. You can also set some notification overrides to notify you if somebody posts in a specific channel. Let's say you're an admin and you want to be able to see certain things. To do that, you can just click here. You can either say mute that or not. So you can set it up on a channel by channel basis. And that's where most of your notification controls are going to come. Note that once you turn on these things up here, you can no longer unmute these other channels one at a time. You have to use this and not this. It's basically the shtick. And so with that, I will no longer be spammed by the literally anything server anytime somebody decides to send me a message. And this is really handy, especially if you're on like a trolley server where people spam at here a lot. It's a good way to block that. If you are a server admin yourself, you can disable people from being able to do that, which is really nice because it's super annoying when they do that. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you block people or block server notifications from people being spammed to you on Discord. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.